One of the cycle types on here that's available is called manual TSD. What that is, it's called top sheet mode. Essentially what that will do is you're gonna do your wrap cycle, and as the carriage goes up, it's gonna get around to this point. It's gonna go up, come back down, stop, and then you can put a top sheet on the top, and then you hit start to engage it again, and then it's gonna come up and it's gonna secure that sheet on there, come back down, and wrap the rest of the pallet. Let's go to the controls and show you how to use that. All right, so right now we're in program 2, but I liked what I had in program 1. So I'm gonna go there, then I'm gonna jog down, and I wanna go to cycle type. Keep everything as it was, except for I wanna change it to manual TSD, which is manual top sheet dispenser. Click OK, then go up to save user program. And I wanna save this as pallet number 3, because that's the same thing as 1, but with a top sheet. Click OK, and now it's saved. And now we can go ahead and start this wrap cycle.